बांबोळे सुरू आशिल्ल्या राष्ट्रीय युवा एथलेटिक्स सर्तीत 6 भांगरा पदकां सयत पोरूच्या वस्ताद केरळ सगळ्यात वेले सुवातेर पावला। हरियाणा 4 भांगरा सयत दुसरे जाल्यार उत्तर प्रदेश 3 भांगरा पदकां सयत तिसरे सुवातेर आसा। ही राष्ट्रीय सर्त आज सांजे सोंपतली।
Following athletes have qualified.
First team athletes, please stand up.
Get up, pretty good.
Martin from Gujarat with the timing of 1 minute 21.86 seconds.
आय लीगात बेंगळुरू फुटबॉल क्लबान देंपोक 4-2 गोलांनी मारले। बेंगळुरून सर्तीत नव्यानच पांय दवरतनाच वस्तादपण जोडपाचो विक्रम केलो। बेंगळुरूचे 23 मॅचींतल्यान 44 पॉइंट जाल्यात। तांच्या फाटोफाट ईस्ट बंगालाचे 23 मॅचींनी 40 पॉइंट आसात। निमणी मॅच जिखल्यार सुद्धा ईस्ट बंगाल बेंगळुरूच्या वयर वचपाक शकना। 5 फावटी वस्तादपण जोडिल्ले देंपो 6व्या सुवातेर आसा। देंपोची निमणी मॅच पुणे FC कडे येता ते सोमारा जातली।
Dempo, of course, has nothing to claim a stake in this tournament because they are at number 6 and at 32 points. If they win, they go to 35. And here's an attempt by left footer, and my goodness, what has happened in the second minute of the play here? Here is the first surprise coming in. Magnanimous and get a goal scored on them.
I think it's a little casual. Well, Robin Singh over here, and a nice shot. And that is goal number 2, a surprise goal.
Likely goal. He came from the left wing through that pass there, and the defenders are appealing for an offside, but the referee overlooked that one, and they were all looking at the referee. Meanwhile, he sneaked the ball through, and Beto there, and that one netted beautifully. Now this is class, experience. This 35-year-old Brazilian.
This was a lovely, very well worked out goal. And very well taken, clinical finish by young Romeo Fernandez. So the substitutes have done justice to.
He won't like the match to be equalized, and here's an attempt at the goal. My goodness, at the fag end, Sunil Chetri getting to his foot. Bengaluru, and here goes the final whistle. And Bengaluru, with this win, have advanced up to the top position where now East Bengal cannot reach.
Too many people gave a bit of a chance when it all started this time around.
In a row champion, we have a new champion of India, and for the first time from a southern
that are running high there, you can understand what Ashley Westwood means to that particular dress. Novi did improve with every game.
Yes, and we can see they've even just only East Bengal, and they have lost 5, so they've even lost less. And the important thing is that they can't be caught up.
इतल्याने खबराचित्र हांगाच सोंपता। नमस्कार।
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.